If you're still using a traditional bank in 2026, you're probably losing money to monthly fees, only earning 0.01% interest, and paying high foreign transaction fees anytime you purchase something in another currency. Hey everyone, my name is Gabby with Pacific Ledger, and today I'm breaking down the top 3 bank accounts that don't charge you fees in Canada. These are the exact ones I personally use to save, spend, and invest, all with 0 monthly account fees. Over the last decade, I've used a lot of different bank accounts, including Big 5 banks, credit unions, and fintechs. Today, I want to show you my top 3 accounts that I actually use in my daily life that I believe provide the best value on the market today. These are not sponsored picks, and the links in the description below are my personal referral links straight from the apps. These are the real accounts that I trust with my travel money, my personal spending, my investments, and my emergency fund. Now, let's get right into the list. Number 1, Neo Financial, my account for everyday banking and emergency savings. The first account I recommend for almost everyone is Neo Financial, and I use it in 2 main ways. First, my everyday checking account. Neo's daily checking pays 0.1% interest, which doesn't sound like a lot, but it already beats what most banks pay you, which is basically nothing or negative with charging you monthly fees or forcing you to hold a minimum balance. Neo's checking account is where my day-to-day spending and bill payments flow through. It's simple, fast, and the app is honestly one of the easiest to use. Number 2, my high interest savings account for emergencies. This is my favorite part. Neo's high interest savings account pays 2.25% interest as of the filming of this video, and of course it's CDIC insured. And if you have over $20,000 saved, you could even earn up to 2.9%, all easily accessible funds. I keep 6 months worth of living expenses here. That's money I don't touch unless it's a true emergency or I'm facing a gap in my income. Here's why I love Neo. There's no monthly fees or minimum balances. You get instant transfers and mobile check deposits. It's super easy to withdraw money using the debit card from any ATM, and of course there's no fees. It's a great starter account for anyone who wants to earn interest and avoid fees. If you want a safe, simple setup for your spending and emergency fund, check out Neo Financial, linked in the description below. The second account I love to use is Wealthsimple for investing, crypto, and travel banking. First of all, I have my TFSA here for stocks and ETFs. Wealthsimple Trade is where I buy Canadian and US stocks and ETFs inside my tax-free savings account. There are little to no trading commissions, no annual fees, and the app is super user-friendly. I use Wealthsimple Crypto to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins. You can trade directly in CAD and withdraw crypto to your own private wallet, something that not every Canadian platform offers. Third, I use Wealthsimple's high-yield checking account for my travel savings. Wealthsimple's checking account currently yields 1.25% as of the filming of this video, and I use this exclusively as my travel fund. Why? Because of number 4, the MasterCard debit card, which is my favorite travel tool. This card is a big deal because it gives you 1% cash back on all purchases, 0% foreign transaction fees, and of course, instant notifications and app tracking. If you travel even once a year, the 0% foreign transaction fees can save you a ton of money. Plus, you can earn 1% on all your travel spending. Here's why I love Wealthsimple. It's an all-in-one platform that can invest, save, spend, trade crypto, spend globally with no foreign transaction fees, and everything can be managed all in one app. If any of that sounds good to you, check out my link to Wealthsimple in the description below. My third bank account is EQ Bank for high interest savings and GICs that actually pay. This is one of the best accounts if you're an employee earning regular income. Their checking account has some of the highest rates in the country, especially if you connect your direct deposit income. The rates are currently 2.75% on checking if you have direct deposit set up. Now, I'm self-employed, so here's what I benefit the most from EQ Bank. First of all, the high interest savings accounts. EQ offers 2.35 to to 2.5% on its 10 and 30-day notice savings accounts. These rates are as of the timing of filming this video. I use these accounts for larger balances that are sitting temporarily, for things like annual insurance payments, money set aside for taxes, and any other short-term savings goals. Instead of earning only 0.01% at a Big 5 bank, EQ lets you actually grow that money. Second, I buy GICs inside of my TFSA. I also use EQ Bank to buy GICs when I have extra TFSA room, but don't want that room affected by stock market volatility. They even offer terms as short as 3 months with super competitive interest rates. You can earn 2.6% on a 3-month GIC, or you can max out your interest on a 5-year GIC and earn 3.55%. Of course, all rates are as of the timing of filming this video. In short, here's why I love EQ Bank. They've got top-tier interest rates, easy-to-use GICs in my TFSA, and it's perfect for holding cash that you don't want in the stock market but you want the highest interest possible. Check out EQ Bank, linked in the description below. Now, how do I put all these 3 bank accounts together? Here's how I combine all 3 accounts into a simple, optimized system. First, Neo Financial is my everyday checking and emergency fund. Wealthsimple I use for long-term investing, crypto trading, and my travel, saving, and spending. EQ Bank is for my extra high-interest savings needs and to buy GICs to max out my TFSA without stock market volatility. This setup covers every major financial goal, everything from spending, saving, to investing, all while keeping fees at 0 and interest as high as possible. You don't need 10 different accounts to manage your money well. You just need the right few that provide the most benefits, i.e. the highest interest possible and the lowest fees. All these accounts help you earn the highest possible interest rates, avoid foreign transaction fees, simplify your investments, automate your savings, and keep your money working harder 24/7. If you want to try any of the accounts I just mentioned, all the links are in the description below. They are referral links, which means I may earn a small commission, but there's no additional cost to you. And of course, I only recommend products I personally use and trust. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.